ParagonERP comes with full manufacturing capabilities. In Paragon, you are able to track both your finished product as well as the components or raw materials needed to make that product. For example, here I am looking at a finished item, which is a drone product. If I want, I can go and manage the bill of material details, meaning all the raw materials needed to manufacture that finished product, to manufacture that drone, as well as the tools or machines that are involved and the labor that is also necessary for manufacturing. What's important to note is that in the BOM, you will be able to track multiple levels of manufacturing, meaning you can have sub-assemblies or nested BOMs listed on the finished product's bill of material. All the components of the BOM will then be calculated in order to give you the total cost of production for that gaming drone. When it is time to start manufacturing your product, you can go ahead and create work orders in the system. Work orders can be for the finished item or for the subassembly. For example, here I have a work order for the same gaming drone that I was using just before. If I right-click on that gaming drone or that line item, I can then access the custom BOM of that product and review all the components, tools, machine, and labor that will be needed to manufacture that finished item. If I want, I have the ability to also modify the custom bill of material in order to make changes specifically to this work order. Additionally, with the flexibility that the attributes of Paragon give you, you can track any information about your work order, such as the operation stage or the phase of manufacturing, or who the work order can be assigned to. Similarly, at the line level, you can also provide additional details about the manufacturing stages, who it is assigned to, maybe the unit of measure, so on and so forth. Once a work order is created in the system, a material pick ticket can be generated. This is a way to reserve the components of said work order for the finished product. In this case, this material pick ticket was created from the work order that I showed you just before, and this time it is listing all the components that are needed to make that product, as well as the quantities that are required. Note that if your raw materials or components are stored across the warehouse in different locations, you can specify where to find the items that you need to manufacture. Finally, Paragon's reporting capabilities allow you to have insight into your manufacturing process. For example, the work order detail report allows you to see all the work orders that you have in the system. And with the flexibility of the WIGO tool, our reporting tool, you can create different layouts. For example, here I have one that will show me all the work orders that are currently open for my gaming drone, the phase that they are in, and who this work order might have been assigned to, as well as the quantities that I can expect at the end. If you have additional information that you want to display in the form of an attribute, you can add those attributes to the work order screen and then use them on your reports. On the other side, if you need to purchase raw material in order to manufacture your product, you can also create purchase orders for those raw materials, and then you can also have a view for your material POs. In example here, this PO detail report will show me all the open POs that I have for my components, for my raw materials. And once again, using attributes on my PO screen, I'm able to track when that PO is supposed to be completed, what the shipping terms are, so on and so forth.